Fitness with FlexHERS, and welcome back to my series on the truth about fitness. This is a huge misconception that a lot of beginners usually do when they are starting their fitness journey. They think that when they decide to start their fitness journey, they are going to do everything 100%. And I'm here to tell you that the odds of that happening is almost zero. Due to previous years, you have developed really strong habits on eating the wrong foods, not working out, and all of that is not going to change in one day. So I'm here to tell you, especially if you're a beginner, do not get discouraged and start off with small steps. Tell yourself, today, if you're someone that likes to drink soda all the time, starting tomorrow, I'm not going to drink any soda. Even if you still have food that maybe is not the healthiest, even if you don't work out, you know what? You started off building the discipline that you are not going to drink soda anymore. Now, once you feel that courage, once you feel amped up from building that discipline, you are going to start building different habits. Now you're going to stop eating the foods that were unhealthy. Then eventually you're going to start going to the gym. The reason why I'm sharing this with you guys, especially if you're a beginner, is because a lot of the times we start off with the notion that we are going to do everything 100%. Once we see that we don't do everything 100%, we kind of throw in the towel and we quit. You have to give yourself time. Let's say you are 28 years old. You have to understand that for 28 years, you have built the wrong habits, and you're telling yourself you're going to get rid of them, all of them, in one day. And that's very unrealistic. Start off small, and eventually what's going to happen, it's almost like a snowball that is rolling down the hill. The snowball is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're just going to become more disciplined, building better habits, and getting closer to your fitness goal every single time you take that step. All right, guys, till next time.